Let us discuss about copper. Copper. Copper is present in many enzymes. Nearly 100 milligrams of copper is present in different parts of the body, in our body. 100 milligrams of copper is present in our body. And if you go to the biochemical functions, copper is a constituent in many enzymes. It is essential constituent in several enzymes. Constituent in several enzymes. Let us list down the enzymes. The enzymes are cytochrome oxidase, catalase, tyrosinase, superoxide dismutase, monoamino oxidase, ascorbic acid oxidase, phenol oxidase, uric acid, and alpha amino levulinic acid synthase, ALA synthase, alpha amino levulinic acid synthase. You see, this enzyme is is a, is involved in heme synthesis. Hence, for hemoglobin synthesis, copper is essential. Okay, alpha amino levulinic acid is involved in synthesis of hemoglobin. So alpha amino levulinic acid, as it contains copper. Conversely, copper is essential for hemoglobin synthesis. Then moving to one more function. Copper is a constituent in lysyl oxidase. It is an enzyme. This enzyme, it contains copper. Okay, this enzyme, it contains copper. Let us see what this enzyme does. This lysyl oxidase, this enzyme, it converts lysine to allysin. It converts lysine to allysin. This is oxidized by lysyl oxidase, and this reaction takes place in collagen, elastin. In all these substances, this reaction requires. So we can say that this copper is essential for cross-linking of collagen, all these proteins. Cross-linking of required for copper cross-linking, because this reaction takes place in collagen. As if there is any deficiency of copper, this reaction will not happen. So cross-linking will not happen. Hence, we can say copper is essential for cross-linking. Then moving to one more function. It is a constituent in ceruloplasmin. This ceruloplasmin, it transports copper. And this ceruloplasmin, it acts as ferroxidase. What this ferroxidase does is, it converts ferrous to ferric, ferrous form to ferric form. So this ceruloplasmin, it acts as ferroxidase, and this ferroxidase, it converts ferrous form to ferric form. And one more function of ceruloplasmin is it uh, it transports copper. Okay, and this copper is essential for synthesis of melanin and phospholipids. Essential for synthesis of melanin and phospholipids. Phospholipids, and it is also required for development of bone and nervous system. For development of bone and nervous system. Nervous system, especially myelin. It is required for development of myelin. And there are certain non-enzymatic copper containing proteins. These are hepatocuprin, cerebrocuprin, hemocuprin. Okay. The non-enzymatic copper proteins containing proteins. This includes hepatocuprin, hepatocuprin. Hepatocuprin is a storage form of copper. It is a storage form of copper, and it is present in liver. Cerebrocuprin, it is present in brain. It is present in brain. Then hemocuprin. Hemocuprin, it is present in RBC. Okay. These are the non-enzymatic copper containing proteins. Then move to the RDA of copper. RDA means daily requirements. Okay, recommended dietary allowances of copper. For adults, it is 2 to 3 milligrams per day. For infants and children, it is 0.5 to 2 milligrams per day. Then moving to absorption. Only 10% is absorbed, and only 10% is absorbed, and this absorption takes place in duodenum. Metallothionein is a transport protein that facilitates this absorption. Okay, metallothionein, it is a transport protein. And this facilitates absorption. And there are certain substances which decrease absorption or inhibit absorption. There are certain substances which inhibit absorption. These include phytates, zinc, molybdenum. These substances, they inhibit absorption of copper. Then moving to plasma copper, the various levels of copper in plasma. In serum, the level is from 100 to 200 milligrams per dl. This is in serum. In serum, 95% is in ceruloplasmin, and remaining will be with albumin. Okay, in serum, 95% is present in ceruloplasmin. As I told you, it is a transport protein, and the remaining 5% is found along with albumin. Along with albumin.